Before we begin with this video, please like, subscribe, comment and share this message to every patriotic Ghanaian who believes in national development and industrial transformation. Let's build Ghana together. The National Democratic Congress is a political movement deeply rooted in Ghana's democratic evolution, emerging from the political tradition of the Provisional National Defence Council (PNDC), led by Jerry John Rawlings. The NDC was formally established in 1992 as Ghana transitioned into constitutional rule under the Fourth Republic. Since then, the party has positioned itself as a social democratic force, championing probity, accountability, social justice, infrastructure development, and people-centered governance. From rural electrification to expansion of road networks, education reforms, health infrastructure, and social intervention programs, the NDC has always spoken about empowering the ordinary Ghanaian. Today, that same spirit of empowerment must extend to Ghana's industrial sector, especially automobile manufacturing, and that is where Kantanka Automobile Company becomes a national conversation. The NDC believes in local capacity building. The NDC believes in job creation. The NDC believes in strengthening Ghanaian industries. So today, this is a respectful but powerful national message to the leadership and supporters of the National Democratic Congress. If we truly believe in economic transformation, then we must intentionally support Ghanaian manufacturing, starting with Kantanka vehicles. The Kantanka Obrempong is the first vehicle I'd like to talk about. This is not just an SUV, it is a symbol of Ghanaian engineering excellence. Imagine the National Democratic Congress regional executives, members of parliament, constituency chairpersons, and national officers moving across Ghana in a 2.0 turbocharged SUV which produces a maximum power of 165 kilowatts per 5,500 rpm, a maximum torque of 385 newton meters, top speed of 210 kilometers per hour, which comes with 8-speed automatic transmission and has several driving modes including Eco, Sport, Normal and Snow. The Kantanka Obrempong comes with Euro VI emission standard. This is not an ordinary vehicle. It features an ultra-high strength cage body, ABS, and EBD braking system, electronic stability program, hill start assist control, a 360 surround view system, oversized panoramic sunroof, luxury leather seats, 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, electric tailgate, cruise control, tire pressure monitoring system, dual bags and many more. This is executive class mobility made in Ghana. If NDC believes in strengthening Ghanaian industry, why import SUVs for party executives when Obrempong stands ready? The Kantanka K71 Pro, which is 280,000 Ghana cedis. This is affordable, youthful, and strategic. The K71 Pro is the perfect SUV for constituency executives, youth organizers, women's organizers, and also campaign coordinators. It comes with 1.5 CVT engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, 156 horsepower, 230 newton meters of torque, multi-role driving mode, ABS, EBD, EBA, ESP, HDC, TCS, HHC, EPB, and also auto hold. It comes with a reverse camera, cruise control, 18-inch aluminum alloy rims, and also ISOFIX child safety lock. This vehicle balances affordability and performance. At 280,000 Ghana cedis, it is a strategic investment for party operations nationwide. Supporting K71 Pro means supporting Ghanaian jobs. Cananko Mama, this is where we talk about strength, durability, and rural reach. For grassroots mobilization, rural tours, and campaign operations in difficult terrains, Omama is unmatched. This is a 450,000 Ghana cedis pickup truck that comes with a 2.5-liter turbo diesel, 136 horsepower, 360 Newton meters of torque, 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers fuel efficiency, 6-speed automatic transmission, 4x2 and 4x4 options. It has several advanced features including ESC, EBA, TCS, Hill Start Assist, rear axle differential lock, 360 panoramic system, and also 9-inch LED display screen. Kantanko Mama pickup truck comes with a 75-liter fuel tank. Speaking of its body rigidity, it comes with 1,400 Newton meters bending rigidity and also 842 Nm rack torsional rigidity. This is serious engineering. When NDC speaks about rural empowerment, imagine deploying Omama pickups across all 16 regions for party and national development operations. Now, let's talk about the vehicle that commands, that comes with authority and has this national security feel. With 588,000 Ghana cedis, you are getting the Kantanka Obrempong pickup truck, which is built for, great operations. It comes with a 2.3-liter intelligent turbocharged diesel engine, 120 kilowatts per 3,500 RPM of top speed. It comes with 380 Newton meters of torque. This is an 8-speed automatic transmission vehicle. It is a 4x4, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear differential lock, level 2 driving assistance, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, comes with active cruise control, 360 3D panoramic imaging, and several advanced safety features including electronic stability program, hill hold control, EPB, and many others. This is the kind of vehicle that speaks authority when it enters a district, constituency, or anywhere. If NDC is serious about industrial policy, fleet procurement must prioritize Obrempong. With 65,000 Ghana cedis only, agricultural transformation tool like the Kantanka Boafo would be great for a party like the NDC that believes in agriculture and food security. This vehicle is revolutionary. 350cc, 4-stroke water-cooled engine, 4-wheel drive shaft drive. Speaking of its load capacity, it has 1.5 tons or 1,500 kilograms and also comes with hydraulic damping system. It has a climbing ability of 30 to 35 degrees and also comes with disc brakes, 12-liter plus 25 liters auxiliary tank. Imagine every NDC-led farming cooperative using Boafo for farm transport. This is grassroots empowerment, and every farmer within the country would be happy to see this. Now, why does all this matter politically? It creates Ghanaian jobs, it strengthens local supply chains, it reduces foreign exchange pressure, and shows practical patriotism, not just speeches. It aligns also with social democratic industrial policy. When government officials, party executives, and public institutions drive Kantanka, it builds confidence in Ghanaian innovation. To the national chairman, Johnson Asiedu Nketia, also to the president, to members of parliament, to regional and constituency executives, let procurement policies reflect national ideology. Let Ghanaian industry feel the support of a party that believes in the people. Driving Kantanka is not just buying a car, it is voting for Ghana with your wallet. Call Kantanka on 0242 037 429. Call me on 054 746 2581. Kantanko Automobile is located at Achimoto Overhead, adjacent to the FBN Bank. Kantanka, this is not just any car. This is our car. Thank you.